A warm welcome to the judges present here, and we are from Team 10 here for review 2, and myself Rochit.
Myself Santosh.
We are from VIT Engineering College, and we are doing third year. So
What we have done is we built an AI-powered multi-camera surveillance system that tracks individuals in real time using facial recognition, clothing attributes, and movement patterns to improve security and reduce manual effort.
our system also integrates computer vision, deep learning, database management, and web technologies to provide a robust and scalable solution that meets hackathon's requirements at high accuracy. So here, let's see the implementation part, which is prioritized for the criteria and review 2, and here it is. So here is our live implementation of our project. So here we have used YOLO V8 for real-time detection. Basically, it has like high speed inference, optimized for GPU and CPU, and comparatively it's faster than the regular RCN detecting humans. And it is compact model for architecture, which is like ideal for real-time applications. And we used deep sort for person tracking. Like basically, like it's like very simple and real-time tracking features are there along with deep learning. And it assigns like unique tracking ID to each detected person and uses motion vectors like Kalman filtering and predicts movement even when a person is momentarily disappears. And it reduces the ID switching compared to the conventional IOU based trackers. And coming to the facial recognition, we are using Insight Face. So why we chose Insight Face over OpenCV or FaceNet is that it has like the Buffalo L model, where it gives the high accuracy as well, like, again, and fast embedding extraction, and it has best features for separation and compared to OpenCV DNN based face recognition. So it has like fast embedding system. So it actually, they say like it extracts like 128D embeddings, like feature vectors when a face is detected, and these embeddings are stored in a blob format, which is like binary large object, and inside our SQLite database. So we also like implemented the web page, which will be shown like later. So here's a web dashboard integration, and like we use SQLite, and where each person's data is stored in a track people table, where track ID is the primary key, name if it's recognized, and clothing attributes, last seen location, and timestamps are like shown here. Like why we used SQLite over MySQL is like it's lightweight and low latency, and we locally hosted it. So, and this uses the fast blob retrieval, which is like ideal for face embedding. And for web dashboard integration, the process data is displayed on a flash-based powered web dashboard, which provides a live CCTV feed, as you can see. So when a new face is detected, the model extracts like 128D embeddings, like vector features, and these embeddings are stored in blob format, which is basically binary large object, and this is stored in the SQLite database for like efficient storage and retrieval for search optimization. So we have also implemented a web page. Like basically how it works is that when a new person enters the frame, we compare their embedding using cosine similarity against the stored embedding, and if the match is not found, the person remains unknown, and we rely on cloth coloring or recognition for re-identification. And coming to the next part, like clothing recognition for non-face matches. Face recognition is like always not reliable. Sometimes like the person might be like turning around on the camera, and so to compensate that, we extract the clothing attributes. We take the lower body region from bounding box and process it in HSV color space, and the dominant color extraction algorithm assigns labels like red, blue, green, and yellow based on the hue waves, and this helps in tracking the person even if their face is not visible. And coming to the efficient data storage and retrieval, like where the backend of the web page like functions. This shows the overview for review 2 implementation, and these are the features we have implemented and achieved for now. And as you can see, this is a workflow diagram, like how the things works, like based on the users data are fetched. And here's a technical overview, like which all technical modules we have used, like we mentioned here, like separately. And like these are the things we have achieved. Like how do we plan to achieve the goals of this hackathon, and like what's next is that like future development is that like we are currently working on the search query, the database and the web page we have created. We are working on the search query, which is basically when a person's face is like embedded, like we need to like search the person, like suspicious person. So we are currently working on this, and we are planning to even add features like fall detection for elderly and employees, like when a person is detected for a prolonged time, like immobile, like for 45 seconds or greater, like it will send an emergency alert to the notified concerned people. So for now, this is our presentation, and this is what we have implemented for review 2, and hope you guys like judges like this. And yeah, thank you.